We're here in Beechworth. It was a really early start. We packed up.
6 o'clock.
Yep, 6 a.m. at Ballarat, and probably took 4 hours to get here.
Yep,
so
bit over 4.
just arrived in Beechworth to go and do the jail tour and then the asylum tour.
Super busy here.
Extremely busy, but it is New Year's Eve, so maybe that's why. But really nice looking old town.
Yeah, really old town.
Yeah, lots of older buildings.
So we'll head into the jail and have a look.
That looks like the yard, doesn't it? It's got a toilet.
Well, this is one then, obviously.
Yeah, but if it was used, like 1995, wasn't it?
Let me tell you, this is a lot bigger than the room I had at Roxby. This is a cage they allowed in for an hour a day. In the shower. Ed Kelly's cell. I love that there's a little raised wall and shit on it.
So that was the old Beechworth jail. That was
That
a
was
pretty
good.
good tour.
Good tour. You can't do a lot in there, which is unfortunate because of health and safety reasons, but yeah, no, it's good. Good to see. Heading into the asylum at Beechworth.
Yep.
The reason that you go around a corner heading to an asylum is so that the person going to the asylum cannot know where they're going and freak out. And that's where the term going around the bend comes from. We learned that at the Arradale Asylum. So every asylum you drive into always will have a curve in it. Hey guys, just rocked up at the Beechworth Asylum tour. So we booked it through.
Asylum Ghost Tours.
Yeah, so we'll head in and have a look around. Just found Carly in a few years. There she is. This is where the old theatre was. Huge building. There used to be a 60-foot clock tower at the other end. Doesn't exist anymore, which is unfortunate.
We weren't allowed to video in the asylum on the tour. We booked the history tour, so it went through a lot of the history of the area, the building, the asylum, and what it was used for in each room. It was great to see all the historical features still there. It is pretty run down, but I hope you enjoy the pictures. finished our tour of the Beechworth Asylum. That was really good. And now we're driving on our way to another hip camp. This one is called Little Bird Camping. I think there's about 5 campsites and it's $35 a night. So we will show you what that's like when we get there. So we've just arrived at Little Bird Camping on Hip Camp. Setting up now. Both exhausted. It's an absolutely beautiful property. We have 5 camps here, so we can only see people camping in the distance. We've been very spoilt with all these properties, haven't we?
Very much so.
So Clint's setting up the hot water, filling up the tanks, so we can have a nice shower tonight. But yeah, we're very, very happy with this campsite. $35 a night, but it's absolutely stunning. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more of our travels and keep an eye out for the next episode on this trip.